What's going on, guys? So this is my review of Envent BoomBud. So let's just talk about the build quality and design. Build quality is pretty great and unique. Lightweight and matte finish, rubber finish. Inside the box you get a headphones, micro USB for charging, aux cable and user manual. This is on off switch. Micro USB for charging, play pause and call action button. This is the volume up and down, also button for next and previous track. Overall the product feels very premium in the hand. Let's see the specification. It supports Bluetooth 4.1 with 30mm speaker, Bluetooth connection range up to 30 feet, 500 mAh battery. For charging it takes around 1 hour 15 minutes to 1 hour 30 minutes and it lasts me around 18 hours in full volume. That's a really great battery life. Don't worry about battery life, it has got 3.5mm headphone jack, which means you can use it also without battery life. Sound quality is really amazing, great, loud and clear. Mic quality is also really good. Repair, switch the device on and go to your phone's Bluetooth and connect it. And it says your Bluetooth device has been connected. It also tells me the